Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up hosting for WordPress. First, you'll need to choose a reliable web hosting provider that offers WordPress compatibility. Consider factors like server speed, uptime guarantees, and customer support. Next, select a hosting plan that aligns with your website's traffic expectations and storage needs. Finally, register a unique domain name, which will be your website's address on the internet. This foundational step is crucial for your online presence. Once your hosting is ready, it's time to install WordPress. Most reputable hosts provide a one-click WordPress installer, making the process incredibly simple and fast, often taking just a few minutes. Alternatively, for more advanced users, you can perform a manual installation by downloading WordPress files and uploading them via FTP. This method also requires creating a new MySQL database and user through your hosting control panel. Both methods lead to the same powerful platform. After installation, log into your WordPress dashboard to begin configuring your site. Start by updating your site title and tagline under the general settings, reflecting your brand's identity. Next, navigate to the permalinks section and choose a search engine-friendly structure, such as postname, for better visibility. These initial adjustments are vital for your website's functionality and how it appears to visitors and search engines alike. Take your time with these foundational steps. With the core setup complete, focus on essential post-installation steps. First, select and install a theme that visually represents your brand and offers a great user experience. There are thousands of free and premium options available. Then, add necessary plugins to extend functionality, such as security, caching, and contact forms. Finally, implement a regular backup strategy to protect your valuable website data. These steps ensure your WordPress site is robust, secure, and ready for your content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.